How to start a meeting on Microsoft Teams. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to start a meeting on Microsoft Teams easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Teams. Now this is the home page. All what you have to do is go down here, click on this meet little option down here, and it will take you to this page. Now click on meet now, or choose search for a contact right here. Click meet now and copy meeting link, or you can start a meeting directly from here. Also you can change your meeting name, easy, and click start meeting. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.